This is the ThyssenKrupp Signa 4 holeless hydraulic elevator. And it's glass. Beautiful building. I'm not sure if the chime works on this floor, but it does on other floors. Now, our launch indicator does not make an obnoxious ThyssenKrupp beep, which I like. Let's see how fast this will start up. Actually, door close does not work on this side. Oh, someone already called it. Or it's parking. That's it.